Graham here from Dispatch Plumbing, teaching you how to solder. Every time we're doing a rain shower head out of the wall, we're always using a copper riser because it strengthens it. Cut the copper, then you always want to ream it to prevent turbulence. Then you use sandcloth to clean the copper pipe. Then you use a fitting brush inside the fitting, and you always want a snug fit. Snug fit's called capillary action. Helps the solder go where it wants to go. We're using 95.5 solder today with Masters OD Flux. 95.5, technically lead-free, approved for potable water. Got the turbo torch. Might be running low. Blasting too hard. You want it to be nice and hot. I like to get a little bit of space underneath, and you want to heat up. You want to heat up the fitting as far back as you want the solder. You don't heat it up there, you'll get a brittle joint.
You burned $100 worth of wood.